Hey guys, welcome back to LDF TV. Today we came to this extremely small pond. We've seen a couple people catch some fish here. We never tried it ourselves, but hopefully we can get some out here. Alright, first off I'm going to be using this Senko. Here's the first cast, right along here.
Oh, I had a hit. Yeah. Look.
That's good. Oh, you see that?
Elijah, careful. Got one? Yeah, I don't like this.
Yeah, nothing. Alright, so my brother just caught the first fish of the day. Just about 5 minutes in. Oh, that's nice. Woo! That's nice.
He's still right there. Fish, Eli?
What is that, a 2-pounder?
That's
I don't know.
bad.
On the black and blue chatterbait, though.
blue.
Yeah,
The blue.
that's a nice one.
It's nuts.
Let's take a weight.
Alright, so my brother's bass weight was just about 2 pounds. I switched to a nice little spinnerbait and fish off the side a little bit. Light, so oh man. He caught one fish and he's like, I like this pond.
I already missed 3.
I missed one, but like, never mind, he missed 3. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Yeah, right on the edge. Let's go.
That's where they're at.
Ah. Oh, it's a double. Woo!
You're gonna rip your line, dude.
Oh, me and my brother just doubled up. Oh,
You see, I was fixing my rod and it just flew over.
oh, that's a nice one. Oh, it's not bad, but okay, chill. Ow, chill. What? Yeah. Let me sit you guys down for a little bit. Ooh, it's a nice one. Well, his is. Mine isn't. You bum, Alden. You shouldn't have caught it. It's not bad. Ooh, I'm dropping you guys.
Hook sit on mine. I wasn't even paying attention and the thing just took the thing out of my hand.
Oh yeah, David's is definitely bigger.
Want to take a picture?
Not really.
Here, I'll get my release.
Alright. Fish. I cast out right where I casted. The funny thing is, it's like right after I stopped recording, so sorry about that, guys, but hopefully I can catch it on camera. Oh man, that hurt. That fish cut my finger. It was like right here, right over here, where I caught that fish. It's a nice little chunk. What? Oh yeah. Now we just need our bum uncle over there to catch something. Is that a follow? On the edge. Ooh, that was a good rating. Happy I didn't get skunked. That's a good thing. Always a good thing.
I lost 2 fish and I caught 2 fish.
I lost one and caught one.
You lost one on the Senko?
Yeah.
We want moving stuff right now. That's why I'm using the chat of black and blue because it's kind of dirty.
Chatterdonk. They're all piled up on the edge.
Yeah, because it's right after the rain.
Yeah, it rained like basically all day today.
I've had so many bite like right in front of me.
Hopefully it'll be a fun day.
You know what I'm doing with this? I'm jigging it so it's like vibrating.
Chatterbaits vibrate a lot.
Grass.
Backlash.
Which pole are you using?
Might be reeling it too fast. I might
Did
be.
you use the Gamma yet?
Yeah, that's what I've been using.
I caught it like right out on the edge. Like I was about to pull out my
Yeah,
spinner.
no, that's where I'm casting. Look, I'm just casting really short and on the edge because that's where they're at.
Like right here I caught it. It just snags that thingy. Alright, I'll let you guys know if I catch anything else. Alright, so I'm moving on from the last spot where I caught a fish. I'm not gonna, I don't really use the Senko too much because these fish are clearly going for moving bait. Something that's moving. And might switch to a black spinner because pretty sure they should see the black better in the murky water. But we'll see. If I can't get anything else, I'll try a spinner then move on to something else. But I don't have a chatterbait. I lost that at a different pond. Or I don't think it was a lake, but my clumsy self just loses a whole bunch of things. Especially because that one time I had horrible line. I was just losing lures after lures. It was bad. But it is what it is. Our brother one time lost like $20 worth of lures in one day. Kind of funny.
You're not getting anything.
'Cause you suck.
Probably.
You said you had a bite.
Those are the only fish in the pond.
Yeah, 2 fish. Just 2, 3 fish in the pond. That's it. I'll be weird.
That's what it seems like. Come on, you gotta be kidding
Yeah,
me.
told you suck. You can't even cast without getting a backlash.
Huh?
Alright, so I tried Senko for a little bit. That did not work. And I just switched over to a black one and I'm about to try it out. A black spinner. Oh snap. It's really muddy. I just gotta get to the other side. Oh, that's higher than expected. Ugh. Oh, snap. That hurt. Alright, so didn't die. But, yep, I'm about to try out the black spinner because you can see a lot better with something black than white because the water's super murky. Whew. Stop complaining. You caught 2 fish.
It's like real deep on the right on the bank.
Good. This one doesn't really cause as much noise than the other one I have. I don't know if that's gonna change it, but we'll see. Fish for a little bit. Yeah, but it's small though.
So that means there's more of a concentration of fish. That means the fish should be closer together.
I'll be surprised there's like a total of like 20 fish in there. 20 bass. No. Probably 40. 20 just seems too low. What do you guys think? Comment down below. How much fish do you think are in this pond? Bass particularly. Feels like 3 right now, but dude, these things are freaking weird. They're blind, running into everything. But I'll let you guys know. We went to a different pond. I was here yesterday, but I was only able to fish for like 5 minutes. That's just about it. But watch out, bum.
Ow, my neck.
Alright, so first cast on this pond shall be recorded. Oh, 10 pounder. Just kidding.
Some
Dude, your thing sounds so weird. There's so much seaweed. What? Probably full of water. What are you using? It's cheddar dong.
Yeah. Are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording.
Really?
Yeah.
Can I say top water? Can I say
Yeah,
hello
yeah.
to my, I don't know who?
Oh my gosh, you're sweet. Oh, I'm gonna take this scrap off and try a frog.
Why
I said try like 13 times,
top
but
water, not bottom water?
alright, I just moved on to a frog, a popping frog. And I forgot to set it, but didn't backlash. I haven't caught a fish on a frog in a while. Hopefully I can catch him today. Alright, I just missed a bite. Right over here.
You're wasting your time casting right there. Cast right in front of you.
I just missed a bite over here. I pulled out too quick. I felt a hit and it just moved. Oh, there you go. There you go. What'd I say? Yeah, huh? You told me to cast right in front of me. You're wasting my time, huh? Woo! Oh, that's caught up in a whole bunch of seaweed. Catfish. I don't know. I can't see it. It's a
There's
fish.
something in there. Don't hold the line like that, it'll break. Grab the fish.
I'm trying to grab the pole.
There's nothing in there. There's no way there's
Are you
something.
blind?
Is there seriously something in there?
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. Oh, it's big.
It's tiny.
All right. So, just. Oh, that's nice.
It's a little bit of a chunker.
It's still nice. Oh. Come here. Ow! No! It ripped off. It has my stuff too. No!
Grab it. That's why you don't hold it like that, you baby.
Well, that was a tragic fail. It's alright. Still caught one. I put it out of the water, so that counts. It just the pole got caught up in right here, so I couldn't put the fish down because the line was just. I didn't have enough line because this thing was caught up in the tree, but lost my only Senko because all the other ones ripped up. And yeah, so I guess I just have to use frog for now. Alright guys, that's just about the end of this video. We have to leave because it's getting kind of late. I'm still kind of disappointed I couldn't hold that fish and I lost my Senko, but it is what it is. But I caught 2 today, one at the other pond and one at this pond, which is a fairly decent day. My brother caught 2 at the other pond and my uncle got skunked again. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Peace.